Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy here again, and this channel will share a lot of free videos on DIY hair and skincare for my black and beautiful ladies who are looking for ways to grow their natural hair and have a radiant skin naturally. You're welcome. This is the right place to be. You can support me by hitting the subscribe button, and let's go on this ride together. In today's video, we'll be making Amla oil, Indian's secret hair growth oil, its benefits and how it can help you also in your natural hair journey. So fam, this is how I made my Amla oil, which is also known as Indian gooseberry oil. And for those of you who don't know what this fruit is, this is what it looks like. This is what gooseberry looks like. Okay, so let's get forward with it. The first thing we need is, we already know Amla, the gooseberry, and we're going to cut out the fruit from it because it has a very hard rock, a very hard nut inside of it. Okay, and it's very greenish. It's more greenish than the fruit itself, so you need to work your way through the fruit to actually get all what you want, because you can. I remember the first time I actually wanted to make this oil, I tried blending the fruit all together and it was bad for me. So you have to cut it out and then you put it in your blender and add in all the ingredients that you'll be needed for this recipe. I actually used one of the ingredients that has been beneficial to me, which is rosemary. I use rosemary virtually in most of my remedies because of its benefits, its essential benefits for the hair. So I use 2 spoons of rosemary for this recipe. And the next thing you'll be adding your oil to it. Okay, you can use any carrier oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, organic coconut oil. You can use olive oil. I used olive oil because it's easily accessible to me. Okay, so I use olive oil for this, and then we'll be blending it together, making sure they are all properly blended, and then we'll move to the next process. Actually, Amla oil has so many benefits, for the hair, and you'll be amazed at the benefits that Amla oil has in store for you. Okay, ranging from thickness to volume to a whole lot. We'll be discussing a few in this video, okay, as time goes on. So the next thing we have to do is to put on what you have blended into a pan, and then we'll move to the next process. Okay, one of the benefits that Amla oil has is gives your hair thickness and volume. Okay, and then one of the most important things that I love about Amla oil is that when I apply Amla oil on my hair, it straightens it naturally. Okay, unlike, for example, let me use something like clove. For example, when I apply cloves on my oil, I have to use a detangler to actually detangle my hair before my hair feels alright. But with Amla oil, when I lose my hair, when I lose a braid that I applied Amla oil on it, I can totally feel that my hair is straightened. I don't need a detangler to actually detangle the hair. Amla oil prevents premature graying of your hair. Okay, for those of you who are running away from gray hair, okay, who doesn't want the hair to turn gray prematurely, you have the natural remedies for that. Natural remedy, no side effect. Get yourself your homemade Amla oil and you're good to go. After adding your mixture to the pan, the next thing you need to do is put it on fire. Keep stirring it until it is brownish in color, and then you bring it down. Very simple as that. Do not let it burn. Just keep stirring it till you see it is good, just like what you see on the screen. It is good and ready to be strained. Another huge benefit of Amla oil that is very important is Amla oil is good for lice. Okay, for my beautiful ladies who have this problem of lice on their hair, you need yourself to get yourself homemade Amla oil. Okay, you need it. It's very, very important. It is tried and tested. You don't even need to have it on your hair the whole day, or okay, you just need some 30 minutes on 1 hour on your hair wrapped up, and you're good to go. You'll be amazed at the result it will give to you. Okay, so it's also good for itching scalp. Okay, it suits the scalp so much. The mixture is ready and properly cooked, so the next process is to strain out the oil from the mixture. Make sure the oil is properly strained, and then you're good to go. The oil is ready. It's so ready. So fam, thank you so much for staying through this video. Thank you for being supportive. Please, you can support me by hitting the subscribe button, hitting the like button. If you have any question, any contribution, don't forget to put it in the comment section. Your support is highly appreciated, guys. Your support is highly appreciated, fam. It enables me to make more videos about hair, about skincare. If there's anything you want me to try, please put it in the comment section, and believe me, it will be done in the next video. I appreciate your patience. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Light and love always.